Hey, ¿cómo estás, everybody? This is day number 3. I'm at the Atocha train station. That station was built 175 years ago, and at one point, 25 years later, was a big fire, and they rebuilt it. And you know what? One of the architect was Gustavo Eiffel, the the creator of the Eiffel Tower, helped to rebuild that train station. So you have so many trains here. It's like a big shopping mall, 4 levels, and uh, and that's it. So I'm going in Barcelona. Not too bad. I went out last night. If you missed the video, I went out with Greg Izor last night, and we have a lot of fun. I play a little bit of harmonica. You can see that at the end of the video. And we'll talk to each other later. All right. Have a good day. Bye. Hey, everybody. I did it. I made it. I'm in Barcelona on La Rambla. It's packed. It's Tuesday afternoon and it's like a Sunday afternoon. It's just crazy. But it's pretty cool. You can see a little bit people walking all around the place. And it's just madness. So if you don't like people, don't come here because it's just packed of people. So I'm hungry, and I will go to right behind me a Boqueta, La Boqueria. So it's a market for hundreds and hundreds of years, and they have a good food. So let's have some wine and some tapas, and we hit the road. All right, see you later. Woo! Food everywhere.
Marín, descarga.
Un pito a la gallega, media de jamón, 6 y una de
Vale.
ya tengo.
Ya está, ya está. Esa no me acaba, sí.
And a little pinto sausage, croquette, crab croquette. They're gone. All right, we had the famous fountain that they said that if you drink it, it's mean that you're allowed to coming back in Barcelona. So that's why the people stop. It's an old fountain. In the past was for the horses, but now it's for the human people, of course. And I will drink it because I'm coming back. One thing is sure. All right, and we on La Rambla right now. Those beautiful buildings and everything. People are walking, strolling. There you go. Hey everybody, I'm at Plaça de Catalunya. So again, it's kind of the Times Square of Barcelona. That's the place where all the people gathers to celebrate. They tried the independence in the early 900s, but it didn't work. But anyway, they have a lot of stuff. Normally they have fountains and stuff and waters, but because of the drought, the city shut down the waters to to save water. So, but this is Plaça de Catalunya. Everything starts here. It's the central point. You have buses and everything. So we're there often here this week. All right. Hey guys, this is where everything starts. Kind of the big street called the Gate of the Angel. Just think about it, when during the Roman time, when people were coming in the city, they were coming in the city, the fortified city a little bit lower. I think they said we will have some fortification later, but this is the main street that in the medieval and Roman time to access Barcelona, and right now turn as a shopping mall and walking street, but that's where everything starts. Just behind me was the plaza that we just saw in the previous video. All right, I will just walk that street a little bit and let you know when I will find something interesting. Here it's a fun fact. It's the restaurant where Picasso were hanging with his friends in 1900. So it's right next to the City of the Gates of the Angel Street right there. And you can see one of his painting about the bar that was hanging with his friends. Just a little fact. All right. All right, guys, we're at Plaza Nova in Barcelona, and this is finally the fortification, the old wall of the old city. So we'll get in the old city. I understand that people from Quebec City are not really impressed about that because we have much better fortification in Quebec City. But for Barcelona, it's the start of the parts of those fortification, and we'll start walking inside the city, and we see in the background it's the Cathedral of Barcelona also. Well, so we are on our way there. Hey guys, we have the Cathedral of Barcelona right next to the wall. Yeah, we have a line. It's not the day. Maybe I will come this week to visit. Maybe not. Depend. But this is the Cathedral of Barcelona. Beautiful front, and still it's almost 5 o'clock and still people visiting. But we'll see a little bit later this week. All right. So this is kind of funny. On the left side, it's the wall of the cathedral, and on the right side, we start entering the Jewish community. So when the Catholic came in Barcelona, they crowded like 4,000 Jewish in a little quarter, just few blocks to all together. They create even their synagogue and everything. Do the adage to say, keep your enemy close to you. That's what the Catholic did. They decided to keep the Jewish right next to the big cathedral in little street and jam them all together. And here we have also a little bridge for those who went to Venice. It's kind of the same thing. The little bridge between two buildings, famous bridge, and people walk around, kiss each other. Everybody's in love, and we are in the little street of the Jewish Quarter in Barcelona. There you go. Look at this. Is it beautiful? And it's cool also. No sun. You have a little breeze. Everything is good. Life is good. More little streets from the Jewish quarter. Very small streets. Nice to walk. There you have, just close to the Jewish quarter, another Catholic church, another one. And you can see the bombing. See the walls. So that was the bombing from the Civil War, 1938. And why we have a bunch of kids playing, it's because we have also a school in the same area. So school, church, group, people, little plaza here. So the funny part also is in this Jewish quarters now, they turn all those little area with artists and shop and restaurant. So it's very needy, very cool. With those restaurants, it's almost, I feel like the old Quebec City a little bit. And you see those shop, people walking, little streets. Still very beautiful. It's really remembering like Quebec City and the old Quebec City and the little boutique, little streets. Very nice. Nice Jewish quarter. Hey guys, another plaza. I start to be tired. This is Plaza de Saint Jaume, and you have a city hall with the flags. It's beautiful, but enough plaza for me today. I'm tired. It's time for a nap, and it's another plaza. So just let you know, I'm taking my Google map and going to bed for a few hours. Alright, but that was pretty good. Good part of Barcelona today. So it's famous. I'm not reading my notes, but it's St. John's Plaza. Alright, I'm having a break. Talk to you later. Bye.